Hello and welcome to In the Lab. It's time for another unboxing video. I have another parcel. If you've not watched our last unboxing and you like this sort of thing, then do have a look at our last video. A link should be appearing up there now. Let's see what we've got here. Samples for schools, it says. Aha, I know what this is. It also says on here, as I open the top, frozen dissection samples inside. Please advise your biology department of this delivery immediately. And indeed, school reception did. They told it to me because it is frozen. Yeah, it is pretty cold. And I have to get this stuff into the freezer very fast. Oh, a list of all the different things that you can buy that are frozen. Kidneys, hearts, a lamb head, lamb eyes, brain, lamb testicles. Oh, you can get all sorts of stuff here. Fish heads, chicken wings, pig jaws, pig trotters. Well, we haven't gone for any of those. Let's have a look at what we have got. There's this nice silvery material. Very good for insulation, in other words, keeping what's inside cold. And we have ordered lots and lots and lots of, are you ready? If you're slightly squeamish, look away now. Lots of frozen hearts. And in each of these packs of frozen hearts, and they are pretty solid, we have got 5 hearts. And I've ordered quite a few packs of these. There's 2 there, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 5, 30 hearts. So that'll keep us going for a little while. Normally we do 10 hearts per lesson, and that tends to be about enough when we're doing dissection. So yeah, they're going to go straight in the freezer, and they take about a day to defrost, sometimes 2 if they are super cold. But that is what I've got today. So I'm going to go and put them in the freezer. And I can't really press the stop button on the phone now because I've got frozen heart juice on my hands. So I'm going to wash my hands and then I'll press stop. It'll look like I've pressed it now because I'm going to edit it. That's the power of technology. But, well, I better wash my hands.